Hello everybody, good morning. My name is Owen and welcome to my YouTube channel and video. I hope you're well this morning. It's a lovely, beautiful day in Ireland. And I love almost nothing more than being in a forest listening to the birds and the sounds of nature. Whoa, what a magical, oh my god, that's mystical. So in this video I want to share, here's some Cleavers. This is the Western #1 herb for cleaning your sewage/lymphatic system. And all you need to do is just pick some. You know, I won't pick it now because I just want to keep the plant intact with honour and reverence to the plant. And all you need to do is just pluck some and you either eat it on the spot, or you go home and juice it or blend in a smoothie, or you can go home and make a tea. It's very simple that way. So if you do that with a little bit of herbs, or even not even have to have any herbs, and what I do is I recommend is try eating fruits only for a few days or even weeks. My friend Orville Douglas on Facebook, he's only eaten fruits for 5 years now, and before that he ate just raw foods for 2 years, and he only needs 4 to 5 hours sleep a night, because how much sleep you need is dependent on what you've shoved or put into your body that day or what you haven't. And he doesn't even need to drink anything. He's not thirsty for 20 hours of the day. So some people call it dry fasting, but he's not even fasting. He's just not thirsty, like an animal. You're not always at a watering hole. So he's strong, and we're not like that, like most of us, but we can get there. And I'd recommend joining in his month-long fruit-only challenge and see how your body feels. I actually feel epic. I'm filtering my lymphatic system. It's going through my kidneys. My kidneys are working better. My adrenals are working better. My lymph system's working better. I need less sleep. I get a deeper sleep. My dream recall is just crazy. It's seriously improved. And I've been raw food for 4 months now. So fruit only compared to raw food means you ditch the recipes more or less. You ditch the condiments more or less, pretty much. And you basically eat the most simplest of food, and no recipe, just simple food. 100% real. And yesterday I decided to experiment with, a lot of people do this, you don't actually drink much, and you have most of your liquids from fruits, the juicy ones, not bananas or dates, because I ate some dates, too many dates yesterday, and a bit of avocado made me feel tired, for a short while. But if you eat the juicy fruits, it'll hydrate and energize you. So everybody, I highly recommend trying both raw food, but especially the fruit only. If you want, you can add in stuff like herbal tea, or herbal capsules, or herbal powders, extracts, like the ones I have in my own store, or you can get all over the internet too. It's just, anytime you eat real food, everybody, or simple food, like animals, they have no recipes or condiments, they just eat real simple food. Anytime you eat simply, everybody, and real raw food, you raise your vibration. Anytime you eat processed food or fake food or cooked food or dead food, you do lower your vibration. And one uplifts you and higher your spirits and your mood and your emotions and your energy level. And the higher your energy, the happier you are in life, and the more peace you have, because the more you're able to cope with stress and challenges. The more energy you have, the more you're creative and productive, and your creativity flows because you're inspired. So raising your frequency is essential, and body and emotion are one. Body and mind are one. They're one. So what we eat isn't the be-all and end-all of life, but it's a huge factor, because there's no other way where we mix our energy with the outside world, except for food. When we breathe, we're just getting a few air molecules and atoms. But when we eat, we're literally getting billions of molecular and chemical DNA and structure. So sure, when we kiss and make love, we share a bit there too, for sure. Obviously we share energy, but physiologically we just share a bit. But other than that, it's through drinking and eating, especially eating in terms of weight, density, and molecules. So it's actually extremely important. But we can make it enjoyable and experiment and have fun and learn as we go along. And it's all good. And we can enjoy the journey, and we can enjoy feeling better and experimenting. Sometimes we go up, sometimes we go down. Up and down. That's good timing. Anyway, have a lovely day. enjoyed this video and it's been helpful, and I look forward to seeing you again in another video. And don't forget to check out my links below for any of my suggestions on herbs, health, certain videos. If you need to contact me, just friend me on Facebook and subscribe for new videos on body, mind, spirit. And thanks for watching and have a beautiful day. Ta-da! And don't forget to get in nature, Mama and Papa. Thanks for watching everyone, have a lovely day. Thank you.